Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing you how to make chocolate muffins. In a large mixing bowl, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of cocoa powder. Then mix together and place aside. In a medium mixing bowl, add in 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of sour cream, half a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix together. Now pour in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix together until almost combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Mix in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, making sure to not overmix. Then scoop the mixture into the liners. This recipe makes 12 muffins. And top with some more chocolate chips. Bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 6 minutes, then reduce the heat to 350 and continue baking for about 14 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool for 5 minutes in the pan before transferring them to a cooling rack. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!